Direct replacement. This transmission oil cooler is a precise match for the fit and function of the original equipment trans cooler. Durable construction. This oil cooler is made of durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum for reliable, leak-free performance. Cost-effective solution. Offers original equipment quality at a competitive price. Quality tested. This part has undergone extensive testing to ensure a quality fit and long service life. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This direct replacement transmission oil cooler matches the fit and function of the original equipment trans cooler for a reliable repair. This part has undergone extensive testing to ensure adherence to precise design standards. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Upgrade for 2000-2003, 7.3 Super Duty cooler. I installed this to replace the factory transmission cooler on a 2003 Ford F250 7.3 Super Duty. Pretty easy install, and huge improvement in cooling. I tow a Jeep over the Rockies on a flatbed and no issues with trans temp at all after this upgrade. If you tow at all in a 7.3, perform this upgrade.